bad. Okay, come. Loot. Yeah, just let me finish this person. किस्मत देखो, बिल्कुल doorstep पे मेरे drop मिला है. Wow. I'm not dead. Bloody hell.
So the biggest confusion when you're buying a sub 15,000k phone is whether it will be able to perform when it comes to gaming. Now the recently launched Moto G34 and the Poco M6 are good devices in this budget category, but also are they good gaming devices? That is the question we are here to find out in this gaming review of the Moto G34 and the Poco M6. Which one is good enough to run a game, a good game like BGMI? Let's find out.
Hey guys, so this is the gaming test of the Moto G34 first, and this is the device that I'm using, the vegan leather back and the 8GB 128GB RAM variant. So we will first be starting with Battlegrounds Mobile India. So right now, first we'll check the temperature before we start the actual gaming part, and right now, as you can see, it's around 32.1 degrees, and on the front, if we want to check that as well, it's around 32.7. So this is the temperature reading before we started the game. The battery percentage is at 98%. So let's game. All right, so BGMI, one of my favorite mobile games, multiplayer version, I love. So with the Moto G34, you also get this kind of a gaming drawer on the side, which gives you an idea of how much of GPU and CPU is being used while you are playing the game. I think that's a great way to optimize your entire gaming experience. In terms of the performance, yes, it's running on a Snapdragon processor, so it's not, I would say, the best or top of line gaming processor, but as you can see, the game has loaded pretty well, and right now the graphics 120 Hz display, which kind of works in favor of gaming. I'm just going to drop it to Pachinki. As you can see, display wise, the refresh rate is pretty nice. I mean, I'm not getting any kind of flicker when I'm trying to switch vision from one end to the other, which is a good thing about the Moto's display. Oh, these are new indicators. Bad. Okay, come. I think this is a bot. Yeah. Boom. Okay, one gone. I'm sure there's another one here. Oh, that's my teammate. Till the time he's busy eliminating the opponent, let me just show you the game settings of how they are running. So in terms of the graphics right now, as you can see, HD is turned on. I'm not into HDR, so it will be available on my device very soon, so that's not available. But in terms of the frame rate, it's on high. 120 Hz does help a lot. Alright, so we are about 15 minutes into the game right now, and oh, I killed another guy. And let me just park the car in a safe space. I want to show you the temperature that has risen. So as you can see, 36.5 is the temperature right now, and earlier it was 32. I can also show you the back. 36.9. So yeah, the device, like I said, has a bit of a heat. Alright guys, so I won the game. Round is mine. I have my chicken dinner and my victory dance here. Yeah, it's 36.5 right now on the front. As you can see there it is. And if I can show you a glimpse of the back of the phone, the temperature is around 37.3. So yeah, 30 minutes over, but I also want to give you a glimpse of how much battery has been drained. So we started at about 98%, and right now it's at 91, as you can see here. So 30 minutes of gaming, around 7% battery gone. Okay, so the next one in the shootout is the Poco M6. You can have a detailed review, understanding of the phone by going to our channel and having a look at the review that Aman has done. But in this shootout, we are going to give you a glimpse of what it can do in terms of gaming. Now, first up, before we start gaming, let's just check the temperature of the phone. And on the front also, it's the same temperature, 32.1 is what I am getting. So I think pretty much the same temperature that we started off with on the Moto G34. The battery is also very important here. We'll just show you the battery. So both phones started off with 98%, and now we are going to start off with the gaming part. So, in terms of specifications, the Poco M6 clocks, in fact, rocks the MediaTek Dimensity 6100 chipset, the 6nm. It comes with a Mali G57MC2 graphics processing unit. So just like before, this I'm gaming on the Poco M6. I've landed in Pochinki right now. This is the default display setting that I got, but I'm going to just see whether display is popping bright. Yes, it's at its peak brightness. And in terms of the setting, what I can show you, graphics and on HD right now, the HDR version is not available because mid-range device. The rest of the settings are mostly the same as you saw on the Moto. There is no dedicated gaming toolbar that you get on the Moto, so that's an advantage that the Moto has. Ooh, that was close. I'm still alive, thank God. So just giving you a bit of a check on the temperature right now. Whoa, bloody hell. Yeah, die. Okay. Okay. So now we can peacefully sit and give you a temperature reading. So after 15 minutes, we are at 36.2. Whoa, okay, things are getting hot. After the gaming session on the Moto, it was about 37%. So the Poco is heating up a lot. Going on the back of the Poco, 36.4 degrees. Alright guys, so I'm almost about to the end of the game, toward the end of the game, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and dance. So this is the result page. Going to show you the temperature, and I'm about to die. Yes. So for your eyes, 36.2, not bad. I mean, it's able to, on the rear, if I can just show you, 36.5 is the temperature. So, all right, I have won. Yes, victory dance. But now, important thing is I need to show you the battery. Yeah, there, if you can see, 90% charge left.
So as you saw the gaming performance on both these devices, the battery drain, I was really impressed with what the Moto offered. In terms of the frame rates also, they were very nice. And overall, on a smaller screen, if you want to game, I think this is a fantastic option. The Poco M6 offers a bigger display. There was a bit of a lag in terms of when I was trying to scroll from one end to the other. Frame rates are 90 Hz. So yes, a little bit of a compromise, but you get a bigger screen. In terms of heating issues, there was nothing sort of a deal breaker on the Poco M6. Both were kind of the same in terms of heating. Battery also draining was almost the same. So I think you go for either of these options, you'll get a decent enough gaming phone. I would say both are equally good if you're looking for gaming on these two phones. So that's it for this video. Hope you liked the content, and if you do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also like the video. And if you want to see more such content, you know where to come. This is Cyrus signing off on Fiber.